when they go house, what did they do now?
You want to go inside now, finish our mission. Are you focused?
No. Me, I want to go house.
Don't be saying no now.
No, now.
Don't forget what you won't finish.
What will they finish?
You won't finish the packaging.
But don't finish the food for there now. I mean, you keep another food for us.
Don't say keep on after chopping, not you go inside and go back. You don't forget on.
No, me, I know they go inside. Me, I want to go house.
You won't go house?
Yes, now.
How much food you chop?
Everything at 12K.
12K. How much for the ride they will do?
Almost 15K.
Almost 15K. Plus the miscellaneous expenses.
I beg, I want to. I don't understand what they talk.
How much for my salary?
Your salary now 25K now.
25K. Minus all this money from my salary. How much you make? How much you go top on? like you got to be careful.
I know they go inside with you.
You waiting the brain after.
I know they go. I get serious. You get why I tell you.
Which one say they waiting? What's the reason?
Not better. I gonna tell you now. You now, man. I want to go hard. Just leave me, man. Just to go hard.
No, you want to go hard. If I stand up, you just start to see this bench. Can't think with that. Spend money for restaurant we will go. See, all the money was spent. How much for my salary for inside? Well, till we go inside, go park it, finish out.
I say I dey go house. I know why they tell you. I dey see my period. I know if you go inside with you.
You see your period?
Yes, now. I make I dey tell you. Show me wetin you want here. Since I dey tell you. I dey tell you say me leave him man dey go.
You see your period. You allow me spend those time money. I spend finish abi.
No be food now go shop. We'll do any other thing. No be food now go shop.
You see your period. You allow me spend those money. I spend finish abi. And you see your period. She not the same people. No, she not the same people. Don't worry. We go manage that. We go package that like that.
I know they do that kind of thing.
That's what they worry you.
I never try them before.
That's what they worry you.
No. I know they.
Are they condom inside? I believe
Me, I know they go. You go pay me.
I know
they.
I get back to you.
That's what they worry you.
This man, I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.